Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week, as I posted, Microsoft rolled out the latest Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11, 25, and 24H2, which is KB5072033. And it was quite a big update. It included new features. It fixed File Explorer white flashbangs. Check the video out for more info. It will be linked. Now, just to let you know that over and above the new features and changes and improvements that did roll out with the update, Microsoft has quietly, under the radar, so to speak, introduced another change, which could be slightly controversial, where Microsoft has made the AppX deployment service, also known as AppX SVC. Microsoft has made that service an automatic startup item, with Microsoft saying in an update to the changelog for KB5072033, and I'm quoting, the AppX deployment service, AppX SVC, has moved to automatic startup type to improve reliability in some isolated scenarios. Now, Microsoft doesn't tell us what isolated scenarios is all about, but that's what they have changed in the release notes and have updated the actual changelog. Now, if we quickly head into our services, where we will find the AppX deployment service, I normally just keep my Windows tools pinned to my start menu. You can just do a search for services if you don't know how to get to this legacy component. Here we will find AppX deployment service, AppX SVC, and the description reads, provides infrastructure support for deploying store applications. This service is started on demand, and if disabled, store apps will not be deployed to the system and may not function properly. So that's what that is all about. Now, the reason why I say this change may be a little bit controversial is because until this change, Microsoft had previously set the startup to manual triggered, so that it could be launched on demand when a store app needed to be accessed. But now, as you can see, Microsoft is making it automatic, which means it starts on startup with your computer. And the reason I say that this is a little bit controversial is because there are reports online from users who have found that this service uses quite a lot of memory, which results in high CPU usage. And although this should not be an issue for most users of Windows 11 on a so-called mid to upper end range device or laptop, but if you are a user of Windows 11 running a low-end machine, a budget machine with lower specs, because this is starting automatically on startup, it could result in a bit of a degradation in your performance. So that's why I'm just giving you a heads up. And the reason that Microsoft could be making this an automatic startup, as I've posted previously, and I'll leave the video link down below and in the end screen, Microsoft says it's going to start pushing Microsoft Store updates through the settings via Windows Update, and that could be a reason why Microsoft wants that service to be running automatically in the background for that very reason. I'll leave the video linked. Check it out if you would like some more information. So as mentioned, that has the potential to increase your CPU, RAM, and disk usage on Windows 11, 25, and 24H2. So just making you guys aware in case you did not know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.